As indicated by our ongoing STEPN cost forecast, the worth of STEPN will expanded by 213.04%, coming to $1.36 by end of 2025. All specialized markers show that the ongoing feeling is negative, while the trepidation and covetousness file is perusing 16.17, which especially implies intense apprehension. Truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Our STEPN gauge, it's unsafe to sell STEPN at the present time. On February 25, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative feeling among STEPN cost expectations. See the specific STEPN cost expectation underneath. You will know the amount STEPN is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, STEPN has in every way that really matters, diminished by 39.29%. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a sort of slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of February, the worth of STEPN expanded by 117.31% and came to approach around 82 cents. Right now, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and insatiability file shows 16.17 intense feelings of dread. As indicated by our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell STEPN, which by and large is genuinely huge. Presently, STEPN is exchanging underneath the 200 sort of basic moving normal. For the genuinely most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown of STEPN selling certainly signal. The cost of STEPN in a real sense is right now running underneath the 50-day genuinely straightforward moving kind of normal SMA, and it by and large shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 53 cents toward December's end. By December 2024, STEPN's momentary 50-day SMA shows a 46 cent. The general strength list, RSI, energy oscillator, is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI basically is right now at Arcivalu. This shows that the GMT market is in an impartial position. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, STEPN came to 67 cents, when it dipped under 23 cents interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market sends out, STEPN truly is headed to passing the 83 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 83 cents, it might break its characteristic of $4.11 and for the most part reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, STEPN will essentially break its past all-time commonly high of $4.11 and sort of hold somewhere in the range of 63 cents. And 83 cents soon in a significant manner. At this point, on 25 February 2023, STEPN in every practical sense is exchanging at 38 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume fundamentally is around 90.01 M, and it essentially makes number 155 money in the exceptionally entire crypto world, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. STEPN value forecast 2024 there especially is plausible that STEPN can get through the 95 cents boundary and basically hold the market toward the finish of 2024. Or so they thought. The least STEPN cost will especially be between 81 cents to 95 cents, and the most probable STEPN cost will be consistent at around 92 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite STEPN's wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally unpleasant energy utilization, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that STEPN will explicitly reach 95 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Or so they thought. STEPN value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists sort of anticipate that GMT will especially begin the year at $1.10 and exchange around $1.36, in spite of mainstream thinking. As indicated by their forecasts, this would be very especially high contrasted with certainly a year ago. This certainly is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. STEPN value expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that STEPN 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost However, it is likewise especially conceivable that it may not especially arrive at its normal most extreme $1.68 level, or so they thought. Stepn is anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed sort of high of $1.61 or $1.68 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Stepn. Stepn Value Expectation 2027 Stepn Value Forecast, or GMT, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it basically can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, Stepn's cost is supposed to outperform $1.68 in 2027. It has been explicitly anticipated that Stepn will really arrive at the most extreme cost of $1.68, and the essentially least cost is supposed to fundamentally be around $1.45 in the following a long time from 2027. Stepn estimate 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that Stepn value expectation and specialized examination (STEPN) is supposed to cross a value level of $2.05 in 2028. In the interim, STEPN is supposed to fundamentally arrive at least cost of $1.78 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $2.06, which is very critical. STEPN GMT value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The STEPN value forecast and specialized examination by and large foresee that the expense of STEPN will reach $2.77, and the cost of GMT ought to reach $2.77 before the year is over in a significant manner. Also, GMT can reach up to $2.53 in cost from 2024 to 2029. Delay will bring critical years for STEPN development. GMT value expectation 2030 of every 2030. STEPN value expectation fundamentally are supposed to really cross the $3.87 normal cost level, as per STEPN estimate and specialized investigation, or so they thought. Toward the finish of 2030, STEPN's certainly least cost generally is supposed to truly be $3.66. Which is genuinely critical. Furthermore, GMT can basically arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $3.94. Toward the finish of 2030, STEPN will really have an exceptionally normal cost of $3.94. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. STEPN value forecasts 2031 STEPN cost for the most part is assessed to reach $5.16 by 2031 at least, or so they thought. With a typical exchanging cost of $5.35 all through 2031, STEPN's worth could truly come to $5.36 at its outright most elevated. The experts truly anticipate that the essentially greatest cost should exchange around $5.35.